What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could completely rewrite your story? What if you could escape the grip of bad habits that hold you back? Craft a routine so strong it becomes the backbone of your success, and wake up each morning with clarity, purpose, and drive. It might sound impossible, but I'm here to tell you, it's not. Change doesn't require a miracle. It requires a plan. And over the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step to that plan. By the end of this, you won't just be inspired. You'll be equipped with a blueprint, one that doesn't just talk about change, but makes it happen. Here's what you'll learn. 1. How to let go of what's holding you back and start fresh. 2. The exact steps to create a daily routine that fuels your growth. 3. The mindset shift that will help you stay on track, no matter what. This is more than motivation. It's a strategy, a battle plan to rebuild your life, one day at a time. Day 1 to 7. Breaking the chains. Rebuilding begins with release. You can't build a new future while clinging to the wreckage of your past. The first week is all about letting go. Step 1. Identify your triggers. Write it down, all of it. The habits, people, and situations that drag you backward. Awareness is your first weapon in this battle for change. Step 2. Replace, don't remove. Here's the truth. Bad habits don't just disappear. They thrive in empty spaces. So replace them. Swap late-night scrolling with journaling. Swap junk food for vibrant, whole meals. Replace the chaos in your life with clarity and calm. This week isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Day 8 to 15. Setting the foundation. Now that you've let go, it's time to build. Think of this week as pouring the concrete for your new life. Step 1. Start small, scale fast. Pick 3 non-negotiables every morning. 1. Hydrate. 2. Move your body. 3. Take a moment for mindfulness or gratitude. These small actions create powerful momentum. Step 2. Time block your goals. Your calendar isn't just a tool, it's your ally. Schedule success. Set clear blocks of time for what matters most. When you control your time, you control your life. Remember, consistency builds confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Day 16 to 23. Overcoming resistance. By now, the initial excitement may start to fade. Resistance creeps in, whispering excuses. But here's the secret. Resistance means you're growing. Step 1. Embrace the struggle. When it feels hard, that's when it matters most. Progress doesn't come from comfort. It comes from pushing through the tough days. Step 2. Build a support system. You don't have to do this alone. Share your goals with someone who believes in you. Surround yourself with accountability, not excuses. Lean into the discomfort, because that's where the magic happens. Day 24 to 30. Designing your future. Now comes the exciting part. Designing a life you love. This is where your hard work pays off. Step 1. Vision mapping. Write a letter to your future self. Be vivid. Picture what success looks like a year from now. How do you feel? What does your day look like? What have you accomplished? Make this vision so clear it becomes your lighthouse, guiding every decision you make. Step 2. Automate your wins. Motivation is fleeting. Systems are forever. Build routines and tools that keep you on track. Use habit tracking apps. Set reminders. Automate as much as you can so that success becomes inevitable. By day 30, you'll look in the mirror and hardly recognize the person you were when you started. This is your battle plan. This isn't just another feel-good message. It's your map to transformation. Imagine waking up in 30 days with more energy, purpose, and confidence. Imagine finally being free from the habits that held you back. This is your moment. If this resonated with you, drop a 100 in the comments. Share this with someone who needs a fresh start. And don't forget to subscribe, because next video will unlock the secrets to staying consistent and turning discipline into your superpower. Let's rebuild your life together, one day at a time.